If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. What's good?
Hey.
Before we get into this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint.
I will do no such thing.
I picked up some goods from Banggood.com. Oh, I want you to see that. But yeah, from Banggood.com. Banggood.com. I've been seeing them pop up on my Instagram feed, and they've had like this button up I've been kind of peeping. I finally asked my cousin, I was like, yo, cause she's my go-to, like for like throwing on a fit or something. I was like, yo, what you think about this joint? And she was like, yeah. And it was kind of cheap, so I was like, you know what? Yeah. And it wasn't really no name brand joint, but before I do get into that, it was a couple other things that I did pick up, like, and for the low too. I got a cell phone, I got a iPhone case.
So what?
Mad cheap, but I needed a new one. Boom. This is for the 7 Plus. You already know. I know I gotta step it up, right?
You damn right.
This is something that I've been wanting to pick up for a long time right here. This is like one of those credit card holders. I saw somebody with it like last year and it looked pretty dope. And I do want to give my wallet like a break. So yeah, I ended up, boom. The credit card holder. It's like carbon fiber or some shit, I guess. I guess you can compress your dollars up in here or something like that.
Real money.
It holds on to them just like that. So you got your credit cards in there, and I guess like when it's time to pay with something, you just slide that joint on up. Yeah. I think this joint was like $7. Boom. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, $7. I did want one. I want the one that you can't, like, it got this like RFID blocker or something like that. I do want one like that, but I just wanted this just in case, like, sometimes I just want to give this damn wallet a break, because you know what I'm saying? Just working with one ain't no fun. You know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
The reason that I really want to show this vid is because I finally got this shirt, and I actually copped 2 of these joints. These joints they were like $16 a piece, I think. So I got a large and I got an extra large because I didn't know what size. I didn't know, like, you know, I ain't want them joints to come too tight and then I'm just assed out, you know what I'm saying? So let's see, 2-sided. I want to try on the large. This is the extra large. I want to try on the large, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell whatever one I don't keep. So if you want one of these joints,
I want you to call me.
I already came up. No, did they screw me?
Is this my shirt?
I think they gave me an extra large and a double X, so I'm gonna try the extra large on. No, they probably didn't, never mind. I think they just got any kind of tags on this joint. How about I get tight with China? All right, so this is the extra large. Don't tell me this is a double X. I'll be bruh. So, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully this extra large, okay. Oh, no. Hopefully this double X, nah, this is the golden Gatrelle too. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Boom. So this is probably the one I'm gonna be getting rid of. This is like an extra large, but yo, this joint look like it'll be like a medium. Word up. Check it out. Boy, the golden Gatrelle, you know what I'm saying? Anybody ask me what shirt this is? The name of the joint is called 2-sided. I just thought it was like a 2-sided shirt. But yeah, so anybody ask me like, yo, what you got on? Yo, this is that golden Gatrelle, you know what I'm saying? But yo, the most important thing is, yo, this damn double X, please. Okay, this is more like it. Yo, I'm gonna go try this on right quick. Give me a second. Is this the shirt that they're supposed to think is a golden Gatrelle?
It doesn't fit.
You know what I'm saying? Gordon. Hell yeah. Hey man, I'm so glad, because this is like teetering it. I'm gonna have to lay off the beers, but yo, I'm definitely, oh, this look like, you know what I'm saying? Escobar season, barely. But nah, hell nah, man. I wanna rock this like on a boat or like when I go to DR. You know what I'm saying? Ticket has been booked. Yeah, so yeah, man, yo, so I'm gonna do it, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Huh? What you think?
No go. Holy shit. And while he dressed, it's a no-go? It's a no-go.
Oh, got the golden Gatrelle! You know what I'm saying? I mean, got the gun showing a little bit, but yo, I'm in DR with this. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Gatrelle season. But yeah, so anybody want this? I could have got the 3X though. Maybe next year I might get the 3. I just gotta see like what kind of, but yo, this is some Bama shit right here, boy. I'm in DR with it, boy.
Oh shit.
This is an extra large that fits like a damn medium.
It makes no sense.
If y'all can fit a medium, let me know. I put the price up there. I only want what I pay for this joint plus shipping, so that'd be like 16 plus like 8. I'll put the price up there. But yeah, I just want what I pay for this joint plus the shipping. You can have it. Size medium. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Real medium. You know what I'm saying? Or if you rock, let me see. Maybe it's small, but nah, I believe this more of a medium because this a large right here. But ooh, Gordon Gatrelle, man. So anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do my next unboxing. Stay tuned for the next unboxing. It's gonna be on the joints that I got from PRPS. I'm doing it in this, you know what I'm saying?
I'll check you out.
Woo, this at Gatrelle, baby. Anyway, man, yo, like I said, 400 likes on this joint. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Word up. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. Before I get up out of here, if you do shop at Banggood.com, if you ever do, double up in size. Don't get your regular size, don't go one size up. Double up in size. I'm so glad that I copped 2 and that they sent me with, it was their mistake, but they sent me the 2XL. So glad, you know what I'm saying? Because this joint, I probably gotta no beer for a little while. Matter of fact, I might have to go on one of those, I might have to go on another like 30-day no drink. Can I do it? I think I can. I'm gonna do another 30-day no drinking so I can really rock this joint. But anyway, man, if you want this is a size extra large, but it fits like a medium. But I think if you a small, you probably be straight, but it fits like a medium. You're gonna pay what I paid for the joint, $16.99 plus the shipping. Probably charge you like $8 for shipping, something like that, something light. But anyway, man, let me know. I'm gonna leave my email below. Holla at me. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.